Alfa Romeo was born in Milan in 1910 as a builder of luxury sports cars such as the 24 horsepower. During World War I, Alfa became Alfa Romeo under the control of Nicola Romeo. After the war, in 1925, the legendary P2 won the first World Championship for Grand Prix cars. With the cloverleaf, quadrifoglio in Italian, painted on the bonnet. The 30s were years of legendary races such as Mille Miglia, Le Mans, Targa Florio, and great drivers such as Nuvolari, Barzi, and Enzo Ferrari. Alfa Romeo was able to win not only at racetracks around the world, but also Concours d'Elegance, with bodies designed by Touring, Zagato, and Castagna. During World War II, under government control, Alfa Romeo focused on the production of military equipment, including airplane engines. After the war, Alfa Romeo was ready to race again, winning the first 2 world championships of the newly created Formula One, with Farina and Fangio behind the wheel of the legendary Alfettas. The 50s were the years of the Dolce Vita, the industrial production of the 1900, and then the Giulietta and Giulietta Spider, which were sold around the world. The 60s gave birth to a new generation of Alfa Romeo, with the Giulia, the Duetto, and the GTA, which dominated racing in the touring car class. They were also the years of the 33, a sports car that won 2 world championships and inspired the 33 Stradale, one of the most iconic and beautiful Alfa Romeo cars ever produced. In the 70s, the brand launched the Alfetta, the Alfa Sud, and also came back to Formula One with drivers such as Mario Andretti. Then the Alfa Romeo 75, the Milano, and the 164. In 1986, Alfa Romeo became part of the Fiat Group. In 1997, the brand saw a watershed moment with the introduction of the new 156. Beautiful and technologically advanced, the 156 was able to win races and open the door to a new generation of sporty Alfa Romeo, first with the 8C and later with the compact mid-engine 4C. The return of the Giulia and Giulia Quadrifoglio in 2016 and the introduction of the Stelvio SUV in 2017 capped off the decade in style, winning multiple awards and establishing themselves as the high-performance benchmarks in their segments. In 2018, Alfa Romeo returned to Formula One racing. To help celebrate its 110-year anniversary, Alfa Romeo unveiled the Giulia GTA, a limited edition high-performance sedan that harkens back to the famous 1965 Giulia Sprint GTA, which ruled sports car racing in its time. Also, the brand looks to the future with the Tonale concept, a new crossover SUV that offers plug-in hybrid technology, as well as unique Italian style and performance, true to Alfa Romeo DNA.